Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.
Now, example number 1 is, we have to solve the equation radical y plus 21 plus y plus 5 is equal to 6y plus 40. Similarly, after removal of the radical sign, we have to apply the squaring both sides. So having square both sides, this will be a square, means y plus 1 radical whole square, with y plus 21 without radical, plus twice of y plus 1 and y plus 5 radical, plus b square, means y plus 5 radical whole square, which will be y plus 5, is equal to 6y plus 40 whole square, means removal of the radical sign will be 6y plus 40. Y plus y 2y, 21 plus 5 26, plus twice of y square plus 5y plus 21 plus 21 5 105 is equal to remaining same 6y plus 40. So here 2 y square plus 26y plus 105 is equal to, when 2y shift here, this will be 6y minus 2y, 4y. 26 shifted here, then will be 40 minus 26, the remaining will be 14. Here 2 is with respect to the multiplication. When we shift here, this will be converted into the division. 2 to the 4 is 2 7 the 14. The result will be 2y plus 7. Again removal of the radical sign, squaring both, again squaring both sides. So again squaring both sides. So this will be y square plus 26y plus 105 is equal to 4y square plus 28y plus 49. So remaining is 4y square minus y square plus 28y minus 26y plus 49 minus 105 is equal to 0. When we shifted the left hand side to the right hand side, it will be converted into the negative sign. So remaining is 3y square plus 2y minus 56. So 356 the result is 168. So factors of 168 are 2, 2, 2, 7, 3. So we will break the middle term 2 just like in the shape of plus 12 and minus 12, plus 14 and minus 12. The multiplication of plus 14 and minus 12 like 168, and their difference is also 2. So y is common, 3y plus 14, minus 4 is common, 3y plus 14, 3y plus 14 is common, y minus 4. So 3y plus 14 is equal to 0, y minus 4 is equal to 0. So we have also two roots, y is equal to minus 14 upon 3 and y is equal to 4. On checking, it's find that it's clear that y is equal to minus 14 upon 3 does not satisfy the original equation. So it is an extraneous root. So therefore y is equal to only 4. So if we check whether the y is equal to 4 correct or not, so y means 4 plus 21 25. The result of y plus 21 means 4 plus 21 25. The radical of 25 is equal to 5. y 4 plus 5 9. The radical of 9 3 is equal to 4 into 6 24, 24 and 40, 64. The radical of 64 is 8. So 3, 5, 8 is equal to 8. So y is equal to 4 is the correct answer. There are few MCQs related to the exercise 3.4. MCQ number 1. If y minus c upon y plus c plus y plus c upon y minus c is equal to 34 upon 15, then what should be the value of y? A is the option. It is minus 2c comma 2c. B is the option 3c comma minus 3c. C is the option c comma minus c, and D is the option 4c comma minus 4c. So here suppose y is equal to minus 2c. Minus 2c minus c, this will be minus 3c upon minus 2 plus c minus c plus minus 2c plus c means minus c upon minus 3c. C cancel, this is be 3 upon 1 plus 1 upon 3. 3 is the LCM. 9 plus 1 is equal to 10 upon 3, which is wrong. Means minus 2c comma 2c cannot be give the correct answer. Here 3c minus c means 2c. 3c upon 4c plus this will be 4c upon 2c. So c cancel. This will be 1 upon 2 plus 2 upon 1. 2 is the LCM, 1 plus 4, 5 upon 2. We need 34 upon 15. So this is also wrong. Suppose c comma minus c. C means 0. 0 upon 2c means 0. C plus c, 2c upon 0, infinity. This is also wrong. Now 4c. D is option 4c. 4c minus c means 3c. Upon 4c plus c means 5c. So this will be reciprocal, means 5c upon 3c. C cancel. Result is 3 upon 5 plus 5 upon 3. The LCM 15. 3 5 the 15. 5 3 the 15, 3 3 the 9. 3 5 the 15, 5 5 the 25. This will be 25 plus 9, 34 upon 15. So we need the 34 upon 15. So D, 4c comma minus 4c is the correct option. If x power 2 upon m minus 5x power 1 upon m plus 6 is equal to 0, then what are the roots for x? A is the option. It's 2 power m comma 3 power m. B is the option. It's minus 2 power m comma minus 3 power m. C is the option. Minus 2 power m comma 3 power m. And also D is the option. 2 power m comma minus 3 power m. So this is the, suppose we set the value 2 power m x. this will be x, means the value of x is equal to 2 power m. Instead of x we will substitute the value 2 power m. So 2 power m into 2 upon m. M cancel, will be 2 square means 4 minus 5 into 2 power m into 1 upon m. M cancel means 2 into 10 plus 6. 6 plus 4 10, 10 minus 10 0. So 2 power m is correct. So 2 power m plus is correct. This will be negative wrong, minus 2 power wrong. So either this will be correct or this will be correct. Similarly for 3 power m, x means 3 power m into 2 upon m minus 5 into 3 power m into 1 upon m plus 6 is equal to 0. Cancel, 3 square 9 minus cancel, 3 5 the 15 plus 6. 6 plus 9 15, 15 minus 15 is equal to 0, cancel. So 3 power m is correct. So minus 3 power m will be wrong. So our correct option is now 2 power m. The topic is the theory of the quadratic equation. The theory of the quadratic equation. So we deal with respect to the quadratic equation in 4 exercises. So it's clear that the quadratic equation have not more than 2 roots. So according to the theory, of the quadratic equation, it have not more than 2 roots. So we can compare 2 equal roots. So we call it a 1 root, but it's clear that the quadratic equation cannot have more than 2 roots. So there should be the nature of the roots. Sometime we have both roots rational, one rational, one irrational, both roots complex, both roots real, both roots equal. So it will be clear from the discriminant formula. So therefore the nature of the roots of the quadratic equation. Nature of the roots of the quadratic equation. Number 1, or as we know that for ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, the value of x is equal to minus b plus minus radical b square minus 4ac upon 2a, where b square minus 4ac is called discriminant denoted by d. Therefore d is equal to b square minus 4ac, by which we can observe the nature of the roots. Okay. Number one, if D is equal to B square minus 4AC is equal to 0, i.e. if discriminant B square minus 4AC is equal to 0, then both roots of the quadratic equation are rational and equal. For example, x square minus 10x plus 25 is equal to 0. Here A is equal to 1, B is equal to minus 10, C is equal to 25. So D is equal to B square minus 4AC. So D is equal to minus 10 square minus 4 into 1 into 25. So this will be minus 10 square means 100 minus 4 1 the 4 25 the 100 and cancel, discriminant is equal to 0. So therefore this equation will give us both roots equal. If discriminant is 0, then x square minus 10 means 5x minus 5x plus 25 is equal to 0. X common, x minus 5, minus 5 common, x minus 5 is equal to 0. X minus 5 is equal to 0. X minus 5 is equal to 0, also x minus 5 is equal to 0. X is equal to 5 and x is equal to 5. Both roots are rational and equal. Therefore, both roots are equal and rational. Therefore, number one condition is if discriminant is equal to 0, then both roots of the quadratic equation are rational and equal. Okay. If D is equal to B square minus 4AC is greater than 0, i.e. D is greater than 0, then both roots of the quadratic equation are unequal and real. So if any equation gives us the discriminant greater than 0, means positive or greater than 0, then both roots of the quadratic equation are unequal and real. Number 3 is the condition. If D is equal to B square minus 4AC is less than 0, i.e. D is less than 0, then both roots of the quadratic equation are unequivalent and complex. Imagine you are complex because the discriminant is less than 0. Discriminant is covered by the radical sign will cover the discriminant. If discriminant into the radical is a negative sign, it will declare with respect to the iota. If it declare with respect to the iota, then root will be complex. Number 4 is, if d is equal to b square minus 4ac is a perfect square, then both roots of the quadratic equation are unequal and rational. Both roots of the quadratic equation will be unequal and rational, because discriminant is a perfect square. There will not be involvement of the radical sign. If there's no any kind of radical sign, the roots will be rational. So therefore, if discriminant b square minus 4ac is perfect square, then both roots of the quadratic equation are unequal and rational. Now, the example related to the nature of the roots. Example number 1. Determine the nature of the roots of the equation of the following equations. Number 1 is 9x square plus 12x plus 4 is equal to 0. Solution. In or for given equation 9x square plus 12x plus 4 is equal to 0. So a is equal to 9, b is equal to 12, c is equal to 4. As discriminant बराबर b square means 4ac, therefore d here is equal to b square means 12a square minus 4 into 9 into 4. Discriminant 12 the 144 minus 4 for the 16, 9 the 144. Cancel. Discriminant is equal to 0. Therefore, both roots of the equation are equal and rational. This is the condition. Number 2 is 6x square plus 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. Here, solution: a is equal to 6, b is equal to 2, c is equal to minus 1. As d is equal to b square minus 4ac. So d is equal to 2 square minus 4 into 6 into minus 1. So d is equal to 2 to the 4 minus plus 26 4. So do is equal to 28, which is greater than 0. So discriminant is greater than 0. Therefore, the roots of the given equation are unequal and real. Okay. Number 3 is 7x square minus 2x plus 3 is equal to 0 is the given equation. So A is equal to 7, B is equal to minus 2, C is equal to 3. As discriminant is equal to B square minus 4AC, therefore discriminant is equal to minus 2 whole square minus 4 into 7 into 3. This will be 4 minus 84. Discriminant is equal to minus 80, which is less than 0, i.e. discriminant is less than 0. Therefore, both roots of the quadratic equation are unequal and complex. Number 4 is x square minus 6x plus 5 is equal to 0. So, solution: A is equal to 1, B is equal to minus 6, C is equal to 5. As D is equal to B square minus 4AC, therefore D is equal to B square minus 6 square minus 4 into 1 into 5. So discriminant is equal to 6 square, 36 minus 20. So D is equal to 16. Therefore D is equal to 4 whole square. Means I discriminant is a perfect square, which is a perfect square. Therefore, the roots of the equation x square minus 6x plus 5 is equal to 0 are unequal and rational. Okay. Example 2 is for what positive integral value of m will 2x square plus 5x plus m is equal to 0 have rational roots. Here 2x square plus 5x plus m. So solution: in 2x square plus 5x plus m is equal to 0, the value of a is equal to 2, the value of b is equal to 5, the value of c is equal to m. Therefore, we know that discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac. So according to the given equation, discriminant will be 5 square minus 4 into 2 into m. So this will be 25 minus 8m. So we select the positive integral value of m. Therefore, m 25 minus m. Positive value. If m is equal to 0, 25 minus 8 into 0 means 25. If m is equal to 1, 25 minus 8 into 1 means 8, 17. If m is equal to 2, 2 at the 16, 25 minus 16, 9. If m is equal to 3, 3 at the 24, 25 minus 24, 1. So we need the rational roots. Rational roots will be at the perfect square form, which will be 25, 9 and 1. So when m is equal to 0, comma 2 and 3, then discriminant is equal to 25, 9 and 1, which are perfect square. Then the roots will be rational roots. Answer.